1.
Okay.
Brown bear, what do I see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do I see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do I see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, I see you. A green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do I see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do I see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do I see? I see a black sheep looking at me.
Black
sheep, what do I see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do I see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do I see? I see children looking at me.
Good job. High five.
Now let's do the funny one.
No. Say bye.
I wanted to, you said we're going to do the funny one.